Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and shop no further because these corset leggings by FeelinGirl are about to become an essential item in your wardrobe too. The corset gives me so much support, and it's a reminder to keep my core tight, and it even helps my posture. The rubber lining keeps them from rolling down, and the hook in the eye attachments allows for the perfect contoured fit, shaping your curves in the best way possible. There's no weird disconnect or bulge where the corset and leggings meet. It's seamless. The material is stretchy and breathable with a silky feel, and it helps shape and lift without being too revealing. And yes, I did do the squat test. It's safe to wear them out. The seams are really tight and they aren't see-through. We all know how versatile leggings can be. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, they're comfortable, and now they can be all of those things while shaping your confidence. You're going to love these too. And that's my point of view.